Hey guys, welcome back to Two Creepy Kids 345. Today I'm going to be doing the burping challenge. Subscribe down low and comment down low in the link and tell me what video I should do next. So for this burping challenge, what I'm gonna do. Basically just eat a lot of candy. Well, not like a lot, but no, just don't do that. It's an example. So just go like this, look. And if you can see, when you burp, it's like your neck moves. So, let's see. Okay, tell me if you see my video. I've already started vlogging, and thanks for watching. Bye. Stay tuned. Come down below what video I should do next. Bye.